Now, if you see the launcher icon over here, you can also see that there is a Flutter icon by default. So how about we change it to something more relevant? We could do it manually, but I would prefer to use a package which will change the launcher automatically. A package is just another piece of code which we can use. Let's find a relevant package on the pub.dev website. It's a page where you can find a lot of open source packages for Flutter. Now I'm gonna type Flutter launcher icon. And look, some relevant packages just showed up. Make sure a package you want to select has a lot of likes, good pub points, and nice popularity. Now let's check the docs and see how to use the package. It tells us to paste the package name under dev dependencies, so we need to head over to the packspec YAML file. Notice that there are two types of dependencies. The first one is a dev dependencies and the other one simply called dependencies. So the difference between them is that in the dependencies, we put the packages which we will use while running the app on a user's device. While in the dev dependencies, we use the packages which will not be present on the user's device, and this means that it's for local use only. Changing the icon is a one-time thing. That's why we're gonna paste the package name under dev dependencies as shown in the docs. Now let's look deeper into the documents of the package and see what they say. It's very important to make a habit of searching Google or reading the docs before using a new package or whenever you have bugs in your code. Even the most experienced developers do it, so you should follow this rule as well, especially if you are not clear about something. As you can see, it says that we also need to add the above lines to our pubspec YAML file. Therefore, let's copy them and paste them just under dev dependencies as given in the docs. Make sure there are no spaces over here. Now, let's go ahead and give the destination of the file which we are going to set as our icon. I'm just gonna use my dash image, so I need to give its destination. Now, as you can see in the docs, it tells us to run these commands. So I'm just gonna simply click on pub-get. You can also run it in the terminal, but I did what was easier. Let's open up our terminal and paste the second command. And hit enter. It shows that the icons are being made. We can stop the app and click on run. Let's see what it shows right now. While it's running, I want to show you where the icons are stored. You can see that these are the folders with icons for Android. In the runner folder, there are some folders with icons for iOS. You can also explore some of these files, maybe just for fun. So, if we just close the app to check the launcher icon, you will see that we have successfully replaced the image. You can resize the picture using any online image resizer, paste it in the assets folder, and run the package again. After you have developed the app, it is always a good practice to run the app in release mode to see if everything is working perfectly or not. as all of the production apps or final apps will be in release mode, not in the debug mode. If you ever faced any problems, make sure to check the bug section in the module or search Google for the solution. Whether you believe it or not, searching Google is a very important skill and it helps a lot. So everything works perfectly. Good job and see you in the next lesson.